Hey guys, it's Giada and I'm here in my home kitchen in Los Angeles. And today I'm making something super fun. It's my little Thanksgiving turkeys. Look how cute these are. I'm going to teach you how to make them. I've already melted 1 cup of chocolate chips and I've made my red frosting. And there's a recipe for it right below, or you could use store-bought. So we start by taking a sandwich cookie that looks just like this. It's a chocolate sandwich cookie. Try to get the double or triple stuffed. And I take a candy corn candy that looks like this, and I just kind of make little feathers, just like that. And we're gonna use 5 of these. And you just kind of take them and stick them, the white part, down into the filling, the cream filling. See, 4 and 5. We're gonna take our sandwich cookie with our feathers in it, put it down on a plate, and then we take our mini peanut butter chocolate cup, just like this, take this biggest side and dip it in the chocolate, into the melted chocolate. There we go. I melted my chocolate in the microwave 20 seconds at a time until it's completely melted. You could do it over a double boiler if you want to as well. And then we stick it down here, sort of lower middle of the cookie. There we go. Press down to stick. Basically, the melted chocolate acts like the glue that holds together the pieces of the turkey. Then I take a malt ball, little mini malt balls, just like this, and this is gonna be the head of the turkey. So again, we're just gonna dip it in the chocolate, because we need some glue to make it stick, right? And we put it right above, just like that. Then I take a little candy corn, and I take the tip off the candy corn, and I make his little beak. I dip it in the chocolate. This is very artistic. Like, you gotta really be into doing it like this. There's his little beak. See? Now, let's make another one. You take the candy corn and you kind of make feathers, just like that. And stick them in there. You're gonna use 5 of these. This is a great way to use leftover Halloween candy. There we go. Just like that. Then you put it down on a plate because we're going to pop them in the fridge. So you want to make sure you already have them on a plate. The mini peanut butter chocolate cup, and you dip it in the chocolate. And if your chocolate hardens, you can always stick it in the microwave again for about 10 seconds at a time. And there we go. Perfect. And then you take a little mini malt ball and you stick it again in the melted chocolate. And you put it right above. Go. Then you take your candy corn, you take the tip, there we go, and you stick his beak right there. What I love about this is it's a great project for a family to do together, as well as just your kids doing it. It's very artistic, and best of all, it's edible. There we go. So what we have to do now is pop these in the fridge and let the chocolate solidify so that way it sticks and it's hard, and then we'll finish up the turkeys. So let's pop these in the fridge for about 10 minutes. All right, so here they are after they've been in the fridge, just so the chocolate can harden. So now I'm gonna show you how to finish these off. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this red icing, and we're basically gonna make like a little, I don't know if you can see this, but we're just gonna drop a little bit below the candy corn tip. So you're just gonna create a little beard for the turkey with the red icing, just like that. In order to stand these guys up, we take another cookie. We take one side of the cookie off, make sure that the cream size stays on, and then you take the turkey and you go ahead and stand them up. Be careful, do it delicately so you don't break the cookie, and don't push on the head because the head could come off if you do that. So just really gently. This is why you want to have a double or triple stuffed cream cookies, so that there's a lot to sit on. There we go. And there's your little turkey. There we go. So then again, you take one side of it off, take the cookie, and I'm gonna stick these guys in line over here. Put them right in there. These are my Thanksgiving turkeys. Gobble, gobble. Aren't they so cute? And I have the kids at St. Jude's Hospital to thank for it because they're the ones that first showed it to me. I don't know, maybe 10 years ago now. And I hope they become part of your Thanksgiving tradition the way they've become part of my family's. Jade loves these, and I think they're super fun and super cute. Happy Thanksgiving, guys.